Is Qatteeey Dentures really the breakthrough solution for smile correction, or just another cleverly marketed product taking advantage of people who want quick dental fixes? The company claims their soft silicone braces are not only more comfortable and hygienic than traditional braces, but also capable of reshaping your smile faster, all without expensive orthodontist visits. Sounds impressive, but when we dug deeper, things started to look suspicious. Many of the glowing reviews appear fake, written in generic language and repeated across multiple platforms. The so-called certifications displayed on the website are blurry and lack clear institutional names or verification links, making it difficult to trust their authenticity. Even the before and after photos look questionable, with inconsistent lighting and angles that suggest digital manipulation. To make matters worse, the site uses stock images of doctors, something many scam brands do to appear legitimate and bold claims, like 97% success rate with zero independent studies or credible data to back them up. While Qatteeey's concept might seem appealing at first glance, these red flags raise real concerns. This review doesn't claim the product is completely useless, but with so much misleading information, it's important to stay skeptical and not let desperation for a perfect smile override your judgment.